Hey there, Jeff with Giroux Camping Adventures. I have this Honda generator. All right, this is a Honda EU2200i. A couple years ago, I converted it to run on propane, and I used the Grenergy tri-fuel kit. A little bit ago, they sent me an extension kit for free. 10-foot hose, quick connects on both sides. Female and male quick connects because we need to modify the conversion part, the demand regulator, and also the part that connects to the propane. So let's get started. My propane line has a T, and then it's capped. So we're gonna remove that cap and put a quick connect on there. Quick shout out to Andy at Grenergy. He sent me this extension kit for free a little bit ago. I just haven't used it because I don't have a quick connect on my RV. So I wanna mention this video is not sponsored, but I did get the extension kit for free. Make sure your gas source is off because you don't wanna open that valve with gas in there. That'd be kind of silly, huh? Here's the Grenergy 3/8 to 1/4 inch male quick connect. Now I don't need 1/4 inch since I'm setting all my stuff up with 3/8, so this is what it's gonna look like instead. Let's wrap these up with tape, pipe dope, and then install them. Check this out, the modified quick connect for my trailer. This is going into the 1/2 inch black piping into a 3/8 inch ball valve, some connectors into the female 3/8 inch quick connect. Now I can plug in the Grenergy extended 10-foot hose, which is a 3/8 inch male, direct into my RV. No little downsize adapter. So step one, let's keep going. All right, I got pipe dope on the other end, which goes into the black piping. So let's put this in, and then the RV side is done, minus leak test. Yes, propane lines are on. There's no leaks. Fire's going, that's good. We can test a quick fire pit. Notice I've already modified it. I've taken off the line and I put a male quick connect on. So now we should be able to use that kit from Grenergy and connect straight into my RV. Let's try it out. Yes, check it out. Fire pit using onboard propane tanks. Now we just got to switch out the fire pit for a generator. Let's do it. Check this one out. This is also another adapter because once you go quick connect, you can't go back. So I got to modify the fire pit and also the Blackstone. So this is the proprietary little connector for the Blackstone, and I found this on Amazon. It's a 90-degree male flare, and then I put a male quick connect on. So when I'm connected at a campsite, I can now use the Blackstone in the RV port too. Sweet, but let's get to that generator. We need to take the male quick connect and stick it on the demand regulator. And then the female quick connect goes on the propane source. So if we ever want to use a propane tank, we have converted our propane tank connector also to quick connect. Because remember, once you go quick connect, you can't go back. So convert everything. Let's do it. We're connected. Let's turn on the gas valve. Gas valve is on. Prime the demand regulator. Oh, I hear gas. Definitely hear gas. Yes, we do not need choke and we don't need to vent cap because there's no gas in there. So let's turn it on and give it a rip. Look what's behind me. Generator running on propane. Off the quick connect from the RV, no tanks, all 3/8 inch connections. Yeah, baby. One last thing to do for the Grenergy extension kit. Let's put that bracket on. You remove the 2 feet from the generator and then put the bracket in place, then reinstall the rubber feet. And this is supposed to hold the demand regulator right next to the generator. I even have a cool case from Amazon and it slips right over. Check it out. Thanks for watching. See you guys later.